Hey, what's up, everyone? Today, I've got some incredible news about the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you're a fan of cutting-edge tech and sleek design, you're going to want to stick around. We're diving into exclusive sneak peeks of both the front and back of the S25 Ultra, and trust me, this phone is about to make some serious waves in the smartphone world. Let's get right into it. 1. A new look for a new era. First things first, Samsung is shaking things up in a big way. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is saying goodbye to those sharp corners we've seen in previous models. Instead, it's embracing a much smoother, more rounded look. This design change doesn't just give the phone a fresh, modern vibe, it also makes it feel incredibly comfortable in your hand. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a phone that's both stylish and a pleasure to hold? 2 slimmer bezels, sleeker design. One of the standout features of the S25 Ultra is its slimmer bezels. Samsung has ditched the bulky middle frame that was around the S24 Ultra, making room for a sleeker, more elegant appearance. In fact, there are strong rumors that the bezels on this model will be so slim, they'll be competing with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Yes, you heard that right. This could be one of the slimmest bezel flagship phones in the market when it launches in early 2025. 3. Case leak hints at exciting features. As we eagerly await the official January launch, there's been some interesting buzz around the accessories, particularly phone cases. A reliable source, Ice Universe, leaked images of a new case design that wraps around the S25 Ultra, and honestly, it looks super slick. The rounded edges and corners we've heard about seem to fit perfectly with this case, giving the phone an even more premium, polished look. 4. Button and port placement, no surprises here. Curious about the button and port placement? Thanks to recent case leaks, we can confirm that everything is exactly where you'd expect it to be. Volume buttons, power button, USB-C port, and the speaker grill, all in their usual spots. It's all about comfort and ease of use with this device. 5. Design comparison, S25 Ultra versus S24 Ultra. While the S25 Ultra doesn't look drastically different from the S24 Ultra, it brings in some subtle yet impactful changes. The most noticeable shift is in the rounded corners and the introduction of an asymmetrical frame, which gives the phone a smoother, more comfortable feel in your hand. 6. Side by side with iPhone 16 Pro Max. When you put the S25 Ultra next to the iPhone 16 Pro Max, the first thing that stands out is the S25 Ultra's ultra-slim bezels. Samsung is really stepping up the design game with this release, making it look more polished and modern. It's a first impression that's hard to beat.